First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning. Not a lot of changes from yesterday. That low pressure system and cold front just about done. There's kind of a lingering area of a broad low pressure system that's kind of extending down and kind of keeping the light activity going. No real heavy rain or heavy snow, but just kind of more misery in the Northeast. They're tired of seeing any snow whatsoever. You can see that frontal system finally clearing and leaving colder air behind. Now the good news is, while there are many places waking up to very chilly, abnormally cool temperatures, there's a warm front that's going to be lifting to the north and east. We're already on the warm side, and we will continue to warm a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow. High pressure is still in control, so our weather is still quiet today, but this high is weakening and is going to continue to slide off to the east, and low pressure is going to come in to be the dominant influence. And so just as all these places warm up, guess what? They're going to be cooling right back down as this low continues to move up to the north and east, and we'll eventually bring this cold front into our area as well. And just as we start to get uncomfortable, we're going to start cooling back down a little bit. Subtle differences in temperatures. We're not going to see as big of a change as we did with this last front. This front a little bit weaker, but we will be cooling back down. 9 a.m. this morning, I think there's going to be a period of partly cloudy skies. We're going to see a few clouds develop temporarily, just as our temperatures are still relatively cool. But as that sun gets higher in the sky, the clouds are going to continue to break up. Mostly sunny skies at 1 o'clock, and overall there's still going to be plenty of sunshine today. In fact, I think a period of just clear skies for the late afternoon. Temperatures about the same as they were yesterday. Mid-80s, the humidity still comfortable. A little bit higher than yesterday. We're not going to be as dry, but not at that uncomfortable level yet. And it's going to be another windy day, so very similar weather to yesterday. And now tomorrow morning, we're going to be starting with more clouds. So this gradual increase in cloud cover goes right in hand with the gradual increase in humidity. Tomorrow is the day where you're going to notice the humidity. Our temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s, and you factor in the humidity, and more are going to be feeling like 90 degrees, so not quite as pleasant. But it doesn't look quite as windy as today. That's a little bit of good news. Now we jump ahead to early Thursday morning. That's when that weak cold front will arrive in the area. Will bring us a rain chance. Right now, though, it doesn't look that good. I kind of want to emphasize how much of the area is not seeing rain. Look at all the lower valley. At least this model is saying completely dry. So we're talking about isolated showers. I think there'll be some showers around for that morning drive, but certainly does not look like a washout at this point. 86 for our high today. Mostly sunny skies, comfy humidity. About, again, like yesterday, about the only negative is that it's going to be windy. We're going to see gusts around 35 miles per hour, even 40 out along the coast. And because the humidity is a touch higher today, the fire threat not as high. We do not have a red flag warning. We're talking about a moderate fire threat today. Yesterday we had the high fire threat, a little bit higher humidity helping, but I still think it's a good idea to follow these rules. Anytime there's a bit of a fire threat, the same rules apply just to be on the safe side, especially for Starr and Hidalgo County, where it's still going to be very windy today, and we have drought conditions. So we have plenty of dry grass, plenty of tinder to go around, so a fire could spread very easily, especially with these high winds. 69 is going to be our low tonight. Not as cool as the past nights. Clear skies early, but becoming mostly cloudy late, and it's still going to be breezy with gusts around 25 miles per hour. Up to 88 tomorrow, but then we cool back down into the mid-80s, and then maybe even down to the low 80s on Friday. Then we start warming up again up until Sunday. Then our next cold front comes in. That one has a little bit better chance of bringing us some rain, maybe some scattered showers, a few storms. Then drier air comes in for Monday afternoon, and so actually Monday afternoon looking very nice. Low 80s and low humidity.